In today's video, I will show you guys my inventory and how I organize my little office space. So right now I'm showing you where I got my labels from. I got some free UPS labels as well as some labels from Amazon. If you want to know how you can get free labels and shipping supplies from UPS, just comment that down below. So I have my laptop. This is where I'm going to store. I have my iPad and I also have my G7X camera that I use to record some videos, and I have a lot of content coming soon. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to do it in the type of order that I want to do it in. I do have a lot going on. So in this first drawer is where I kind of just store, sorry for my nails being in the way. This is where I store like my pipettes, my spatulas, my plates and stuff. I don't really use those like that, but this is just to keep everything organized. So if I do need to grab something, I know where it is. I have 8-ounce jars. That's the covers for it. A lot of syringes, as well as pipettes. And I also have a 16-ounce jar. I just have a lot of like lip gloss supplies in here. Majority of the stuff that I am going to show you in this video has to do with my wholesaling and not really my retailing. But if you're interested in my retailing, you can definitely comment that down below. So as you can see, I have a drawer full of everything like pipettes. Like I have bags and tons of bags. I just had everything everywhere, so I just wanted to keep everything organized. So in the second drawer, I have these little tubes. What I plan on doing is storing my extra lip gloss in there, as well as I've seen a life hack on TikTok that I do want to try with these tubes. So I may have a video of that coming soon. I have napkins, paper towels, plastic cups for when I mix my oil and I want to pick out coloring and stuff like that. Some bowls, because sometimes it do be a hassle to sit here and clean up everything. These are some pre-made jars that I already have. I do have some orders that I have to do, so I will be going through these. And yeah, I'm just going to store them in here for now until I can figure out where I want to put them. This is my little desk area where I have my roller printer. I have my notes of videos that I have coming soon, my laptop, my Cricut machine because I do label. I do labels for lashes, lip glosses, bags, whatever you want to buy the labels for, I do that. In here, I have my thank you stickers, my business cards for all my businesses, as well as thank you cards, my card reader for when I do pop-up shops, if I have to do an in-person transaction, my shipping scale. I also keep my camera stuff in here as well, such as like batteries and stuff. And yeah, I decided I wanted to be very organized and keep everything where I could just grab it and go. In here I have all like my pens, markers, small tape, stuff for my Cricut machine, stuff for my computer if I want to ever upload or do anything through my laptop instead of my iPad and my phone, and more Cricut stuff because I have a lot of ideas, a lot of new branding stuff that I want to do, some scissors, rulers, stuff that I need for my business. I have some packaging tape for my boxes, as well as some stickers. I am going to come up with a project for these stickers that I can use with my Rolo printer. I'm going to stop buying Amazon stickers and start making my own. I have red stickers, I have purple stickers. I might make like thank you stickers or whatever the case is, because I do have people that I do help with their businesses, so I can make stickers for them and sell them or whatever. If you're interested in that, definitely let me know. I have index cards because I plan on doing a manifesting type of project, or just to write down ideas, or just keep like positivity on my business and like stick it around the house. That is a project I'm working on for someone. I do fill lip gloss tubes for other people, so if you're interested in that, let me know. That's my ink for my printer. I have more tissue paper. I kind of just stuffed it in there because I had a pop-up shop. I have fragile stickers. I have all my bubble mailers in here, different sizes. I know they don't match my brand color, but at this point, when it comes to packaging, it's really not that important. I just want to make sure that people's items are secured and they're just good to go. So I'm not really too fancy with the coloring. I'm just trying to put everything back as neat as possible. It was kind of hard putting everything back with one hand, so I did just put it back later after this video. In here, I have some of my lashes stuff. I was going to do some wholesaling of lashes and retailing of lashes. And I have some bags that I use for my bonnets and my do-rags for my retail business. So I guess this is more of like my small retail / wholesale drawer. I have some spoolies that I'm trying to get rid of. So if you're interested in anything that I'm showing in this video, feel free to comment down below or DM me on Instagram and I'll be willing to give it to you, because I am trying to revamp everything. So I will be trying to get rid of a lot. This box just has my bags for when I do my pop-up shops. In here, I have my wholesale lip gloss tubes. I have these clear tubes that are very popular, and I have them available in 3 different sizes. I'm going to try to show you here in this video. They're available empty as well as pre-filled. So I have some small ones. I believe they're like 2 or 3 ml. These are my 5 ml tubes, and as well as 8 ml is at the bottom. It was kind of hard to grab it because, like I said, I was recording with one hand. I should have used my camera. So now I'm just going to try to show you all 3 of them together so you can see the size difference. But these are super cute, very popular. Everybody loves these tubes. And I could label them for you if you want. And they also come with the stoppers. Like I said, I'm definitely trying to take my business to the next level and make everything very affordable and fast, so you don't have to wait overseas or wait long or anything like that. So my next drawer, I have another set of lip gloss tubes. These tubes, as you can see by the brush, they're a little bit different. These are 6 ml and they come with the stopper, available empty and pre-filled. And here is just my plastic tubes, and I have a few squeeze tubes in there, 10 ml, 15 ml. Some with pink top, some regular clear, and I also sometimes use these for my sample lip gloss if somebody was to order wholesale and they were interested in samples. I do have small lip gloss tubes so you can try out the scent, the consistency, whatever you would like. In this drawer, I have some more jars. I have 8-ounce jars. I do have some pink 8-ounce jars. And I have a few more smaller jars coming through. I have a project that's coming up again with the wholesaling that I will be trying out. So yeah, this drawer is more of my retail stuff. I have my sunglasses, some lip glosses in here. I have some wholesale lip gloss that I stuffed in the back that I was trying to figure out where to put them. So yeah, I pre-filled a lot of stuff and I just put it to the side because I know once I get the order, I can easily ship it out to y'all the same day or the next day. In this drawer, I have all my powder pigments in here. It's a lot. So I kind of just didn't go through the whole thing. But yeah, I have a lot of powder pigments in here. I have boxes. I have boxes out here and I also have boxes in my room. I have some liquid pigment. I have some flavor in here. I have a whole bunch of colors. A lot of colors that I haven't even named on my website. But like I said, people do DM me and tell me that they want specific colors, and I do provide it for them. I just don't have it advertised. So that's why I want to organize my stuff very soon where you guys can see all the colors that I have so I can make it more customizable. In here, I have all my cleaning supplies. I have my alcohol wipes. I have Dawn soap, some gloves, some brushes. Because like I said, I used to clean everything. But yeah, if you're interested in any wholesale, definitely check me out and follow me on all my social media.